Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Intel Arc A580 graphics card for 1080p AAA gaming. So friend, the card started at a price of $179.99 and the A580 targets the lower end of the mid-range and it is targeted at AAA gaming at 1080p with medium-thru-high settings, and the card fully meets DirectX 12 ultimate feature requirements, and it is based on the Xe HPG Alchemist graphics architecture that powers the current Arc A750 and A770, and it has lot in common with Arc 7 series, and it is based on the same 6nm ACMG 10 silicon that powers the RAM and Intel curve out this SKU by enabling 24 out of 32 Xe cores across 6 out of 8 render slices, and this results in 384 execution unit and 3072 unified shaders, 384 XMX AI acceleration cores, 24 ray tracing engines, 192 TMUs and 96 ROPS. And friend, you get 8GB of 16GB PS GDDR6 memory across a 256-bit memory bus, yielding a segment-based 512GB PS memory bandwidth. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.
GBPS और GB दोनों एक ही